You only have so much time and energy in your life. And add on top of that, illness and treatment, it makes the time even shorter. You have to consider radically reallocating your resources so that you have the time and energy to take care of yourself. I know for me this was really difficult. I was a type A person. I did everything. I was a human doing, not a human being. I had to pull back and put all that energy that I was putting into everybody else into saving my own life. I also see another type of person in my practice, and that is a person that is just an amazing nurturer. They're really taking care of their family. They're really allocating all their resources to everybody else except for themselves. So it's time to pull back. Think about how you're spreading your resources. Focus them on yourself because you need to be here to be with your loved ones. Your life may depend on it.